to steal. Right? Loot is the stolen goods. Loot means the stolen goods. Right? So then, then the royal doggy sniffed something absolutely amazing. The biggest, smelliest, and most magnificent pair of boots. Oh dear, see the boots? Our doggy is shoe crazy and he smells the smelliest, biggest, nicest pair of boots. It's not nice for us, but for him, yes. He's thrilled. Chips knew he shouldn't, but he couldn't help himself. It happens to us sometimes, right? We also know, no, we shouldn't do this. He's the royal dog and he has a duty here. But no, these boots are too tempting, right? Yeah. Yes, he knows he shouldn't be showing these shoes, but he cannot stop himself. He just had to have a chew on those brilliant boots. But he barely started showing the first boot when the odd man with a bag tiptoed out of the royal jewel room. He just took a small bite. He started showing the shoe. Then the thief, he came out. He tiptoed out of the royal jewel room. He said, "Oi, he's the man. Give me back my boot." Like the robber thief cannot shout in the night also because he'll be caught. "Oi, he's the man. Give me back my boot." Right? So he has what he has stolen, like the royal loot, and from his pocket a necklace is falling, and on the floor you can see a ring. But Chips loved his special boot. He didn't want to give it back. Before the man could grab it, Chip was off in a royal doggy dash.